Electric two-wheeler company Ola has reported its Q2 numbers, where it has reported narrower losses of 418 crores, which have fallen from 495 crore rupees of losses that were reported in the last year same quarter. But the company's top line, the company's revenues have declined 43% in Q2. This is on a year-on-year basis. They have come down from 1214 crores now to 690 crore rupees. Operationally also, we have seen that the EBITDA loss has slightly improved from 379 crore rupees earlier of a loss now to about 203 crore rupees. But the operational losses continue. For the full year now, Ola sees a revenue that they can clock in anywhere between 3,000 to 3,200 crore rupees. Remember, this guidance has also slipped lower from their earlier guidance of 4,200 crores to 4,700 crore rupees as well. This is also as the volumes for the company, Ola Electric, have fallen by 44% during this quarter of up to September compared to last year, and 19% they have fallen on a sequential basis, coming in at 55,000 units as well. So both on a quarter-on-quarter basis and on a year-on-year basis as well, we have seen volume sales for Ola Electric come down. Now remember, the auto business, however, has turned EBITDA positive for the very first time for the company. This is largely supported by a 30.7% gross margin and a reduction of about 52% in operational expenses as well. Now the business has also turned cash generative for the first time. Underlying cash flow of from operations is now at 15 crore rupees. This is a positive, but the stock has definitely dipped after the revenue has fallen by 43% this time.